With the coronavirus pandemic affecting our nation, this can be an overwhelming time, especially for those struggling with mental health issues. Dr. Mark Taliancich is the Clinical Director of Counseling Solutions at Catholic Charities Archdiocese of New Orleans, and he's here for some tips on how to handle the panic and anxiety that comes with dealing with a situation like this. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. And this is something a lot of people are dealing with. If they're not dealing with the actual virus, they're just stressed and anxious for so many reasons.
Definitely. Thanks for having me.
Yeah.
There's a lot of anxiety and uncertainty happening. So it's really important for people to be able to take care of themselves and their mental health right now while this is going on.
Yeah, let's talk about some of those things causing that. We've got the financial issues first off, people who are out of work, losing their jobs or struggling financially because of this. You got people who are working from home, trying to juggle the kids and working at home.
Right. There's
lots of things to be worried about. How do you kind of quell those fears when they're really legitimate?
So there's a few things that you can do to try and maintain your health while everything's going on right now. The first one is to keep those connections that you have with the people that you're closest with. So stay connected, whether that's with the people that you are face to face with in your home, keeping some kind of routine where you can just stop and talk with them, whether that's dinner time, or if it's people outside the home with Skype or FaceTime or other types of technology, so that you can maintain your connections, because feeling isolated is gonna just make everything else worse.
And then a lot of times when you get busy like this or you're frustrated or stressed, you stop exercising. That though can help you stay mentally fit.
Right, so staying active is another really important part. And part of that is that just because we have the social distancing and staying at home doesn't mean that we have to be locked inside the four walls. You can get out for a walk, you can do other things. Most of the time the things that work the best are things that you like to do already. So finding something active that you like to do to keep your body and mind busy.
Sure, and most people will expect to be more stressed and anxious until this time period changes and it's over. How do you know though when you should go to a professional?
So the first thing is allowing yourself to feel those things. So being kind to yourself and being careful about how you're talking to yourself when that's happened. Anxiety and stress and other negative feelings are normal when you're dealing with this kind of disruption. But if it reaches a point where it feels like you're unable to function and these other tips aren't working, then it may be time to seek professional help.
Gotcha.
And so there are a number of different options, and our program, for instance, is this week transitioning to phone and teletherapy over the computer so that we can still provide the services to people that need them.
Awesome, and quickly just tell us the website where we can get more information on that.
You can find information on our website at www.ccano.org or call our program directly at 985-785-2113.
All right, and we'll have that on our website, www.ltv.com.